It amazes me when people put engines in how loose. I'm not using a wrench that's that strong. Okay, on this side you're going to have your transmission dipstick tube. So very important if you have any bracketry that out of your donor motor that you're going to reuse or into your new motor you want to keep. So this is time to be careful and methodical about what you're doing. Wow. This motor's going to be out very quick. Oh, it's not even the right bolt for that. Okay, well, that's what you find when you start pulling apart these trucks. This is what we do. We straighten them out, put the right bolts back in. Okay, you can get to 4 of them from up here. This thing is literally held together by hopes and dreams. Somebody knew what they were doing and somebody didn't. Probably stole the rig and took the motor out. What is that on?
It's on the bell housing.
Yes, that's its date code for its mill. These are just old hardware bolts. That's why these are all wrong, because the factory used snap locks. Hopefully when we pull out the factory one, we'll see some factory snaps. And there were 3.
Alright, transmission supported, but you don't want to be raising up the vehicle, but it is supported.
Alright, see where the engine's starting to separate? You can see that gap right there?
Probably against that.
Well, okay, we're out.
That looks like a small engine.
Okay, before you go up any farther, make sure everything is disconnected. And out you come. Just that easy. 3 hours of hard work, we got it. Yeah, this thing's gonna run a little rough when she starts. Okay, hold on. That's not what I wanted to have happen. We've got to be careful with that.
Alright.
That's how people get hurt. Get center of gravity down. It's a little bit easier to maintain. Alright, that's probably about good right there. Whoa! Alright, go back up. There's only going to be 1 block of wood.
Oh, shit.
You're going to kill someone, man.
The jack was tight. I'm telling you, the stupid screw was tight.
That's some scary stuff when that metal starts flying around, dude. You're talking 400 or 500 pound motor here.
Alright, so are we good now? Yeah, the jack moved on itself now.
Yeah, that's just scary when you're the guy down here. Well, this is where we stopped tonight. We gotta get some grade 5s. We got her out in 3 hours though. Unfortunately, the bolts I have are not long enough for this block, so we will return again tomorrow.